Welcome, and something new. First of all, you get to see me. Second of all, managed to fly a helicopter.
Right. That's on. So our clutch goes engaged. Our automator comes on. Our avionics go on. A guard the mixer. Turning it to go from the bottom.
So I headed out to meet the team at Utility Helicopters at Archerfield near Brisbane. After some ground school, I jumped in with Matt, who was very patient and obviously brave. Sadly, the helicopter headsets aren't the same as mine, so I was unable to record the audio, but as you can see, in only a few minutes I was at the controls and actually flying a helicopter. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and it was well worth the trip up there to meet the guys at Utility out at Archerfield. The R44 was a pretty awesome machine, a lot different to the Bushcat and the thruster, and even towards the end of the lesson I got a chance to do some hovering. So that's my first experience flying a helicopter with Utility Helicopters here at the lovely Archerfield in Queensland. Pretty awesome experience. Just hopefully I'll get to do a bit more of it and put some more videos together. So thanks to Matt and Jess and Nick and the team for looking after me today. See you again soon.